Hello, in this Java programming video we are going to take a look at constructors. So we've got this class from before. Constructor is just a method that is run at the start of creating an object of the class. If we go here, we create two objects, E1 and E2. So this is technically calling a constructor. If you don't explicitly state or implement a constructor, the compiler will just add one by itself. But we can add our own. So to add a constructor, you just do public, no data type. So this is going to be a little weird. And you just put the name of the constructor, or the name of the class, because that is what the constructor is called. Open close bracket. And that's it. So in here, if we do system.out.print, if we do println, and I'm going to say constructed, and I run it, it says constructed twice. And if we go back, it's because there's two enemies. And if let's say I put one here, and I'll call it enemy 3. There you go, it says constructed there because it gets called when we initially create an object. So this is really powerful. So in case you want to, let's say, do some default setup, so instead of like doing equals 100 there and equals 1 there, you could do them in here. So let's say if you want to load a file, get some settings for the class, all that stuff is really useful. So it's great for setting up your class. Let me go a step further and actually show you how to do a constructor, but with not a regular format like so. What we're actually going to have is parameters, which again are really useful as well. So this is similar to method overload, if you can think of it like that. It is that. So if we do enemy, and let's say do int, and I'll call it I, like so. And maybe in here I'll do live equals I. So that's pretty cool. If we go to Sonar Systems, Java, so we can pass in a value if we want to, because there's a constructor that handles that situation. And if I were to do system.out.println and put e3.live, e3 prints out number 7. And that's because we passed in 7. If I were to pass in nothing, it'll print out 1. So if you go back to enemy, live is set to 1 by default. The only place it gets changed is in this constructor, and that one will only get invoked if a integer is passed in. So if we were to, let's say, pass in 9, it will print out 9. So that's it. That's constructors. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome Java video.